and welcome again to your channel. So today we are starting exercise 3.1. So let us read the first chapter directly. First chapter is, first question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, अभी से 3 साल बाद, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. तो जो situation दी है उसको algebraically भी लिखना है, that means equation बना के लिखना है और उसका graph draw करना है. Okay? So again I am telling, आफ्ताब tells his daughter. तो हम आफ्ताब की एज भी मान लेते हैं और डॉटर की एज भी मान लेते हैं. As we are doing in 8th class, you know, let the age of आफ्ताब is equals to x and the age of his daughter is equals to ये presently age है आफ्ताब और उसके daughter की. तो question में now what I am reading the question. आफ्ताब tells his daughter 7 years ago. तो पहले इतना कर लो, 7 years ago क्या condition होगी? 7 years ago. तो एज ऑफ आफ्ताब कितनी हो जाएगी? x अभी है तो 7 कम हो जाएगी. सेम वे एज ऑफ हिज डॉटर विल बी, अगेन her age will also be decreased by 7 years because 7 years before his age will be this. So now I am reading the condition over there. 7 years ago I was, that means आफ्ताब was 7 according to question. According to question, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, so let us solve this. X minus 7 equals to 7y minus 7 7s are 49. Y I am bringing and 7 I am bringing that side. X minus 7y equals to minus 49 plus 7. So I am getting x minus 7y equals to 56. This will come minus 49 plus 7 minus, this will become minus 42. Let me say this is equation number 1. Again the second condition I am reading. Also 3 years from now. Up 3 years now, what are their age? Okay, 3 years from now, एज ऑफ आफ्ताब. अब आपसे 3 साल बाद, ठीक है, एज ऑफ आफ्ताब विल बिकम x plus 3 years from now they are saying. Okay, so and the age of his daughter will be y plus 3. Now what is they are saying? 3 years from now I shall be, that means आफ्ताब will be x plus 3. I shall be 3 times as old. 3 times as old as you will be then. Okay, so this we have to solve. So that means x plus 3 equals to 3y plus 9. So x minus 3y, 3 I am sending that side. So 9 minus 3, 6. This is the second equation. So we got 2 equations. So they are saying represent these equation algebraically. So algebraically we are representing and we have represented the 2 equations. So what are 2 equations now? Let us see. So I am writing here the 2 equations. Okay, the first equation we got x minus 7y equals to minus 42. This is our first equation. And the second equation we got x minus 3y equals to 6. This is our second equation. So we got these 2 equations. So algebraically we have denoted these 2 equations. So now we have to find them graphically. So we have to draw the graph for this. So till 9th class you studied how to draw the graph of the equation. Do you remember how to draw the graph? Without coordinate you are not able to draw the graph. So how to find the coordinates of the equations? First equation, let us take x minus 7y equals to minus 42. So we have to find the coordinate for this. Always whenever you have to draw the graph, you have to draw the table for them. So first table I will draw for this equation. Upside value of x and here value of y. So we will find 3-4 solution for this. Same way we will take second equation, x minus 3y equals to 6, and we will draw the table for this also, x and y. Okay, so let us find the solution. So very first, these two are in rough, let us see कि these two are intersecting, parallel or coincident line. Which type of graph we will get? So compare this, a1 upon a2, that means 1 upon 1 equals to minus 7 upon minus 3, that means plus 7 upon 3 equals to c1 upon c2 minus 42 upon 6. That means these three are not equal. So whenever a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, we always get intersecting line. So that means it is final. Whenever we will draw the graph of these two equations, we will get intersecting line. Now the second thing, intersecting line will cut at one common point. What will be the common point? That means if we will calculate from there, it will become very difficult for us to calculate, and we will find the common point for this is this. Simply I am telling you the trick for doing, we will do in rough. Let us solve this in rough. So x minus 7y equals to minus 42, and down we will write x minus 3y equals to 6. Let us solve this. This will become minus, plus, minus. Subtracting the equation, this will cancel out. So this will become minus, minus plus minus, 7 minus 3, 4, minus 4y equals to plus 48. So y minus 48 will come, y is equals to minus 48 upon minus 4. So this will come, 4 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So value of y will come 12. Substitute the value of 12 in one of the equation. Let us substitute in this equation. The equation is x minus 3y equals to 6. So x minus 3 into 12 equals to 6. X minus 36 is equals to 6. So x is equals to 6 plus 36. So we will get 42. Okay. So that means value of x we are getting 42 and value of y we are getting 12. So 42 and 12 we are getting. So what does it mean? This is rough work. Okay. If this you don't have to do in fair notebook. So this is also we will write in. So that means the 2 points. Whenever we will draw the graph, we will find the intersecting line. We will get the intersecting line, and this point will be x is 42. At x-axis this is 42 and y-axis should be 12. So 42, 12. This we should get this type of graph. तो हमारा ग्राफ ऐसा आना चाहिए. Okay. If this type of graph will not come, that means your solution is wrong. Okay. So quickly let us see. That means one of the solution is 42 and 12 will come in this also. Value of x is 42 in this equation. Value of 12 is this in this equation. Okay. In both the equation when we solve this, this will come same. Let us see how. So now let us find. See. Whenever we will keep the value 42 in the place of x. So 42, send this 42 this side. So this will become minus 42. If we will divide it by 7, it will come 12. Same way, let us keep one by one the value of x. So the value of x, what should we keep? Okay. So value of x, first let us keep 0. Let us put 0. So x is 0. So what will get? So in rough, 0 minus 7y equals to minus 42. So that means y is equals to minus 42 upon minus 7. So we'll get plus 6. So we'll get plus 6 in this. Same way you can put different values, but x you will keep the multiple of 7. Then only will get the whole number, otherwise you will get the in points. So let us put x is equals to 7, or we will put minus 7 if we will put, so this will come little bit less. So let us put minus 7. Let us see, x is equals to minus 7 into y equals to minus 42. Minus 7 you will send this side equals to minus 42 upon plus 7. So minus 7y equals to how much you will get? 35. Minus 35. So y is equals to minus 35 upon 7. 7 5 is 35. So y is equals to plus 5. So we are getting y is equals to plus 5. Same way we will put x is equals to 42 we already get. Let us put minus 42. So if we will put minus 42, this plus 0. So the value of y, sorry, it will not come, it will come, this calculated, it will come 12. Okay, so we will get this solution. Same way we will put one by one the value of x. If you will put a value of x, try to put in the multiple of 3. So we will get the exact value in whole numbers. Let us put y is equals to 0. It will become 0. So x will be 6. Let us put x is equals to 0. So y is equals to minus 2. Let us put x is equals to 3. क्योंकि 3 के मल्टीपल में है 3 रख लो कुछ भी रख लो in the multiple of 3. So you will get the value is minus 1. Solve it. You have to solve this in graph. So we got the two tables for the first equation. So these are the two tables. So we have to draw the graph for this. How to draw the graph? Let me erase this. So both the equations, both the lines, we have to draw in the same graph. Okay, in one graph only. So what the distance we will put, what the distance we will take, we have to see this 7502, but this is 42 is very big number. Okay, so 42 should also come in this. तो 42 कैसे आ सकता है इसमें? So when we will take the distance of 10 तक 42 तक आ सकता है, ठीक है? So because we have to see this also. Otherwise we will take 1 2 3 4 5 6 ले देते हैं तो but minus 42 also we want. So take the gap of 10 20 30 40 50 60. Same way minus 10 minus 20 minus 30 minus 40 minus 50. Same way 10 20 30 40 50, and this also minus 10 minus 20 minus 30 minus 40 like this. Okay, so let us draw when x is equals to minus 7, y is equals to 5. So see, there are 10 columns in this. So 10 columns equals to, we have assumed 10. So 1 millimeter is equals to 10 upon 10. 1. So 10 is equals to 10. So one column will be 1. Will assumed as 1. So what we want? We want minus 7. Minus 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus and plus 5 will be in y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point we will get. Same way 0, 6. X is 0. Y is equals to 6. We will get this. 42, 12, 40, 41, 42, 12, we will get here 12, 1, 2, 12. So like this we will get so many, all the points. We'll draw the graph, the graph will come like this. Same way for the second equation if we draw, so that the graph, if we draw the graph will come like this for the 6, 0. So 6, 0, this point will here. So it will, the graph will go like this. So whenever you will see, so the graph will intersect each other at 42. This is 42. 42, 12. So you see, draw the perpendicular, so it will come 42, 12. So they will intersect at 42, 12. So here the measurement is not correct. For this, I have made the graph for you so that there should not be any confusion. Let us see the graph. Have a look on this graph. This is the graph of first question. So let us see. See, this is the table and these are these. This is the graph. I took the gap of 10. It's visible to you. Okay, so this is 10 the lines are intersecting at 42, 12. See this 42, 12. So like this your graph should come. So you have to draw the neat and clean graph. The points you have to circle it. So please draw it like this. And for this video, first question is enough. Second question we will do in the second video. Thank you very much. Keep watching it and please subscribe the channel.